Hi, and welcome to Ask RTT on Royal Treatment Therapeutics TV. I'm your host, Laura. Ask RTT is your chance to ask questions and get them answered by RTT's award-winning healthcare professionals. In today's episode, I answer another one of your questions. What is a chiropractic adjustment and what does it feel like? An adjustment is a highly skilled and precise movement usually applied by the hand to the vertebrae of the spine or other joints of the body. The goal of the adjustment is to correct joint restriction, restore proper movement, and improve function. An adjustment is not normally painful, but you might experience some mild soreness. This is completely normal as it's part of the healing process as your spinal movement improves. Head to our website to learn more about chiropractic care. Thanks for watching this episode of Ask RTT. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel where you can find more videos such as this. If you have any questions, you can always connect with us on our social media such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and of course our YouTube channel with the hashtag AskRTT. We will answer your question and it may be featured in our upcoming videos. Thank you, and we'll see you in our next episode.